Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing from Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. I'm Ed Ballum, Senior Editor of Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment, and today we're at Kuriyama Fire Products. We're going to be unboxing a new nozzle and a few others to take a look at. So let's open up the box and see what we have. Right out of the box, you can see it's a good quality product. It's lightweight, it weighs 4.5 pounds, and it's only 9.5 inches long, which is a very short nozzle. It will fit in almost any hose bed, in a cross lay or otherwise, or in the front bumper. This is called the Viper Blue Devil Selectable Gallonage Nozzle. Some of the features it has are a twin point bail system. Both sides of the bail move the ball, so there's no resistance, very little resistance. I can move it with one finger. One of the greatest features is there are no spinning teeth, unlike other nozzles. There's nothing to maintain, there's nothing that's going to impede the flow of the pattern, the water pattern. This is called a proprietary patented rheostatic deflector head. It's a machine product, and we'll get some detail here in a minute, that will actually make a pattern of a fog that will be upwards to almost 80 degrees or better. You'll see it when we demonstrate it. It's quite impressive. And when you come back down to make it a smooth stream or a straight stream, it has a very long, far reach on that. So we'll talk about it a little more when we demonstrate it. So let's take this out and see what it will do. As we said, folks, we're going to be out here today in the field with the Hancock, New Hampshire Fire Department. We'll be testing out Kuriyama's Blue Devil, the Viper line of nozzles. We have two hose lines here, and we're going to have the check them out, and we'll flow some water as well. We're going to do two tests. People like the smooth bore, so we're going to have a smooth bore nozzle to check out, and we're also going to have the Viper Blue Devil. The Viper Blue Devil is going to be the one we're going to check it out and compare it to the smooth bore. This has the interesting fog pattern that we're going to learn more about. And we're also going to see how far the straight stream goes compared to the smooth bore. So let's get the Hancock firefighters in here and we'll flow some water. The straight stream and the smooth bore are almost exactly the same length. And don't forget, the Blue Devil is also a selectable stream gallonage nozzle that can go from a fog pattern to a straight stream. Take a look down there. They almost go down to the end of the road, the intersection down there, both of them. Now, why don't we go back and forth between the fog pattern and the straight stream. I want to talk a little bit more about the rheostatic system for Kuriyama's nozzle. It is a patented metal deflector disc in the center of the nozzle. It replaced the teeth, and as you can see, it has some machine grooves in there that make the pattern, and that's what helps the nozzle achieve that nearly 80-degree angle for the fog pattern. And when you turn the bumper, it will also allow the stream, the smooth bore stream to be, or straight stream, to be much more defined and making a longer reach. So if you can see a little more of those teeth there, that's a patented product that Kuriyama has for this particular nozzle. So there you have it, folks. Another unboxing with Kuriyama Fire Products and their Viper nozzles. And I'd like to thank Chief Tom Bates of the Hancock, New Hampshire Fire Department and all its crew for their help with this demonstration today. I'm Ed Ballum, Senior Editor of Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Until we meet again, stay safe.